Welcome to Bubba Smiles TV. I'm Bubba Smiles. Today I'd like to go over and show you a very inexpensive meal that you can cook under $1.30. It's called ramen noodles with tuna in water with broccoli. What I like to do is go ahead and cook my noodles, which takes roughly 10 minutes out of the pack. Also boil your broccoli, or however you like to cook your broccoli. And then so that's to your firmness and how you like to eat broccoli. Then you just open up the can of tuna with the water, and then you drain the actual broccoli and the actual ramen noodles, get all the excess water from the actual cooking, and then you have your final product, which I'm going to show you here. This is the final product. This is your ramen noodles, broccoli, and tuna. Just stir it up however you like it. Put any additional seasoning in the actual meal that you want. I do not like using the actual chili powder or the actual flavor that comes with the actual ramen noodle because it has a lot of sodium, but it's seasoned to your taste. Another good thing that you can do with the ramen noodles is you can add like some pink salmon. What I like to do with the pink salmon is just go ahead and cook the salmon for a few minutes on the oven top. Then put the salmon into the actual mixture as well with the noodles and the actual broccoli. So it's another good meal, inexpensive. This pink salmon costs roughly 99 cents. Thank you all for viewing my video. So tell me what you like and how you like the actual meal. Stay tuned for more to come.